that we'll get to see the reverse waterfall, and if we do, that will be really amazing. Let's go. Almost 8 years back when I was in 12th standard. So there was no this railing, not even steps. I really feel that that was much better. Barefoot, it feels really awesome. So when I did my AMC, which stands for Advanced Mountaineering Course, so at that time we had porters, Nepali porters, and even at that time and whenever I used to trek in the Sahyadris, whoever localites villagers used to be there, all these people used to trek only in chappals, and that always used to make me amazed that how do they manage it. But yeah, normal chappals more than a proper invested shoes always gives a good grip. You should try it. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your travel friends so that we also get some motivation to come up with more and more travel related videos. So that's it. Let's meet you in some other exotic and exciting place next time.